Good day, sir. I'm Benedict Janodilaw, and today I'm going to analyze the Cirque du Soleil company featured in the case. Cirque du Soleil is a Canadian entertainment company known for combining circus, arts, theater, music, and storytelling to create unique, high-quality live performances without using animals. Cirque du Soleil offers live entertainment shows that combine circus acts, acrobatics, music, and theatrical storytelling to create unique performances and experiences. What industry does the company belong to? Cirque du Soleil belongs to the entertainment industry, specifically in live performance and circus arts. Business level strategy. What business level strategy is used by the company? Cirque du Soleil uses the differentiation strategy because it wants to stand out from the traditional circuses and attract a wider audience by creating unique artistic shows that storytelling, music, and high-quality performances. The company can change higher ticket prices and to appeal both adults and families, not just children. This helps them to avoid direct competition to build a strong brand. What unique features make the product different from other competitors? Cirque du Soleil stand out from competitors because these unique features no animal acts, focuses only on human performance and creativity, artistic storytelling. Each show has them or story, a theater production, original music, and costumes especially created. Every show, high-level acrobatics combine circus skill with dance and drama, targeting adults and families, not just children. Like traditional circuses, these features make their shows more creative, modern, and premium compared to typical circus performances. How does the company create more value for customers? Cirque du Soleil creates more value for customers by offering unique and memorable experience, not just simple show. It combines high-quality acrobatics, storytelling, music, and visual effects by create performances that feel artistic and emotional. Customers enjoy premium, immersive, and experience that different from traditional entertainment, making it worth that higher ticket price. Competitive advantage. Cirque du Soleil differentiation strategy. It helps compete by making its shows unique and hard to copy because its performances combine art, storytelling, and high-level skills. The company stand out from traditional circuses and other entertainment options. This allows it to attract customers, build a strong brand, and charge premium prices without competing mainly on cost. What makes the company stronger than its competitors? Cirque du Soleil is stronger than its competitors because it offers unique, high-quality shows that combine acrobatic, music, and storytelling and visual artistry, something traditional circuses or other live entertainment cannot easily replicate. Its strong brand reputation, creative talent, and premium experience give it a competitive edge, allowing it to attract a wide audience and charge higher ticket prices. Number 5. Risks and challenges. What risks and challenges might the company face in implementing this strategy? Cirque du Soleil faces several risks and challenges in its differentiation strategy. High production cost. Creating unique shows with elaborate sets, costumes, and skilled performers is expensive. Economic downturns. Premium tickets prices by less affordable during recession, changing customers' taste. Audience interest. The specific themes the styles can shift quickly. Competition from entertainment, movies, streaming, and digital experiences can attract potential customers. Dependence on talent. Losing key performance by creative directors could affect show quality. These factors could make maintaining uniqueness and profitability challenging. Can competitors imitate this difficult competitors to copy because it shows to combine unique storytelling, music, acrobatics, and visual design that require creative talent and experience. My personal insight. So, in my opinion, Cirque du Soleil differentiation strategy is effective because it makes the company stand out, attracts and loyal audience. It allows it to charge premium prices while offering a unique entertainment experiences. So, mo to akong answer. Case analysis.